George Fisher and Uponor continue to enhance flow solutions, building the world's best piping systems engineered for performance. We know that commercial water and commercial plumbing systems demand connections that are reliable, serviceable, and built to last. That's why professionals trust Uponor ChlorFIT Schedule 80 Corzan CPVC adapters and unions designed to deliver performance while simplifying installations. We're adding 21 half-inch through 2-inch SKUs, including adapters, unions, and drop ears to our design portfolio. These high-performing fittings securely connect Schedule 80 CPVC to piping, valves, and mechanical equipment without special tools or extra steps. The premium stainless steel alloys resist corrosions while eliminating pressure derating, unlike traditional brass or metal fittings, ensuring reliable strength throughout the entire system. Precision molded CPVC components combined with high-quality seals deliver long-lasting joint integrity and dependable performance. Integrated drop ears create a solid anchor point for valves, faucets, and shower heads, reducing movement and protecting the piping system from stress. Lightweight materials help to ensure job site safety and installation efficiencies, helping contractors work faster and more confidently. And because ChlorFIT is immune to rust, corrosion, and scale, it ensures clean water delivery for years to come. Uponor ChlorFIT Schedule 80 Corzan CPVC is built for performance and the life of your system.